All right, guys, what's up? Here we go. We got eBay breaks for 7/22, July the 22nd. Up first, we're going to do the TriStar jersey. This is TriStar jersey, one box break number 3. Andrew has the Cardinals. Lanny has the Eagles, Falcons, Bears, Steelers, Cowboys, Lions, 49ers, Rams, and Dolphins. Ben with the Ravens and Jaguars. Joseph with the Bengals. Don with the Panthers, Broncos, Texans, Chiefs, Chargers, and Vikings. Chris with the Bills and Saints. Joe with the Browns. Michael S., Colts and Packers. Mark has the Jets and Titans. Andrew S. with the Giants. That was Andrew B. on the Cardinals earlier. Jeffrey with the Patriots. Dee with the Raiders. Corey with the Seahawks. Matthew with the Redskins. What's up, Brandon? All right, guys, those are the spots for the jersey. Good luck. Tonight's jersey, baby blue Chargers, Charlie Joyner. Charlie Joyner for the Chargers, baby blue, big huge auto right up to 1, Hall of Fame 96 inscription. Charlie Joyner for the Chargers. The baby blue Chargers jersey is one of the best looking jerseys in the league, I think. Nice hit for the Chargers. Don Boucher, there you go, man. Charlie Joyner coming your way. All right, and for Allen and Ginter, 4-box break number 4. This starts a fresh case. If we rip these, we'll run down the list. Uh-oh. That feels like a rip. That feels like a box topper rip. Yeah, it's got to be. I may punish y'all. I may make y'all have torture, and we may hold that till the end. But I'm pretty sure that's a box topper rip. All right, Chris, Stump, Diamondbacks, and Orioles. Cassandra, the Braves. McGrill, the Red Sox. Marcelo, the White Sox. James Hunter, Reds and Mariners. Ray Allen, Cubs. Brendan English, Indians. Joshua Jennings, Rockies. Tyler G, Tigers and A's. Andy, the Angels. Ben, the Royals. Carl, the Astros. Where am I at? Toby, the Dodgers. McChesney, the Marlins and Twins. Fanberg, Cardinals and Brewers. John S., the Mets. Hayes, the Yankees and Nationals. James, Phillies and Giants. Bradley, the Rays. Lucas, Padres, Jays, and Rangers. And Nicholas B., the Pirates and the non-team. Hey, what's up, Corey? It was the Chargers, Charlie Joyner. Alright, now we went over the team list. So, rip a little faster now. What's up, Toby? Yeah, this is Allen and Ginter break number 4. Yes, sir, it is. I had just somebody else just join the group. Let me get them in real quick. We are good to go. Alrighty, box number 1. Good luck, guys. Appreciate you guys taking all these spots tonight. Much appreciated as always. What's up, Joshua? Short print mini Castellanos for the Tigers. Our first 2 hits. Relic for the 9 team. That is Danielle Colby. And Rafael Devers, relic for the Red Sox. Mark McGuire, short print mini, Cardinals. Framed mini relic for the Rockies, Todd Helton. That's going to do it for the first box. No autos, but it did produce a box topper rip, which we're saving. We are saving that to the end. Make you guys sweat it out. Box topper from box number 2. Francisco Lindor for the Indians. All right, we can do that, Brandon. We can do that. That's what you choose. Yep, Ty Hilton mini frame relic. Nice little hit for you, Joshua. Don't take many hits to get the value out of the Rockies, man. Doesn't take many hits to get the value back there. That was a bargain. All right, box number 2. Here we go. We got another latecomer to the group. Finish this little stack and we'll get him in here. Right back. All right, we got a relic for the Pirates. Chris Archer. Relic for Pittsburgh. Short print mini for the 9 team and a short print mini for the Yankees. Paxton. Rip it. Rip card. Lucas Bond, you've been hot, brother. Rip card for the Rangers, Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan rip card for the Rangers. They're putting the pressure on you. We got a relic for the Braves, Ozzie Albies. What's up, Andrew? Yes, the football jersey, we did that first. It was Charlie Joyner for the Chargers. Charlie Joyner for the Chargers. That wraps up box number 2. Box number 3. Box topper, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Don't fall over. And these packs are so clingy. So far we're 2 boxes in. We already have a rip card and a box topper rip. So we're doing well so far. What's up, Steve? Yeah, we broke the jersey. We did the jersey first. It was Charlie Joyner for the Chargers. All right, guys, box 3. Here we go. Short print mini Puig for the Reds. Mike Eyes, relic for the 9 team. And a mini frame relic for the Angels, Mike Trout. Nice little hit for the Angels. Andy L on the Angels tonight. Syndergaard, short print mini, Mets. Relic for the Tigers, Miguel Cabrera. Yeah, we haven't had a single auto yet, have we? But we have had some rips. That's going to wrap up box number 3. Box topper from box 4. Going to be Mike Trout for the Angels. And that thing is beat all to heck. Mike Trout box topper for the Angels. Sometimes those box toppers get beat up the way they pack them in there. I was hoping for a hot box tonight, but that didn't happen. But still take the results we've got tonight with a rip card and a box topper rip sitting back there waiting for us to open. Andy, when you get a rip card, there are mini cards. There's a mini card inside the rip. So you rip open the card. I'm not going to rip it because it's not mine, but I'll show you the back of this card. There's a little tab on the top, and you rip it, and there's a mini card inside of there that you can only get from the rip cards. So that's the only way to get those minis. You can get several different kinds. You can get autographed. You can get metal ones, wood ones. But they're all exclusive to the rip cards. So that's the only place you can get them from. The box topper rips have 3. The regular rips have 1, or you can get a double rip that has 2. The good thing about the big ones, the box topper rips, you are guaranteed a glass mini. So you get a guaranteed glass mini for sure, which those are printed. There's only 25 of those made of each player. And then you get 2 more on top of that. I don't blame you, Lucas. It's a tough choice. I think the regular rips, most of them not ripped, they're like $70 to $100, $120 cards, just depending on who it is. You can rip it and walk away with a $2 mini, or you can rip it and walk away with something better. It's all depending on if you want to risk it or not. Well, Andy, the safe play obviously is to sell it not ripped, but you can get a better card possibly if you rip it from the inside of it. We have a relic for the Yankees, Miguel Andujar. Short print mini, non-team. Short print mini, Roberto Clemente, Pittsburgh. Relic for the non-team spot, Quinn. It's crazy we haven't had a single auto tonight. Sammy Sosa mini. And our third relic from this box is a mini framed relic for the Red Sox, Wade Boggs. Bat relic. Alright, let's recap the rest of these and then we will open that guy. Mini framed bat relic, Wade Boggs. Quinn, Daniel Colby, Andujar, Chris Archer, Todd Helton, Devers, Cabrera, Trout, Mike Oz, Albies, Rip Card, Nolan Ryan. For the Dodgers, 48 of 55, Jackie Robinson. Rip it, keep it, rip card, box topper for the Dodgers. Yeah, see on these you are guaranteed a mini stained glass and then you get 2 of the others. Nice hit for the Dodgers to finish this one out. There you go, guys. Who's got the Dodgers? That's Toby. There you go, Toby. Congrats, dude. Appreciate you guys taking these spots tonight. Once again, thank you so much. That was the first 4 boxes of that case. The next 4 will be the next one, but I think it's not until the weekend sometime. So I will see you guys back here. We do have eBay breaks tomorrow. I'll see you guys back for that. Peace.